In this video, I'll detail how to change mail alerts on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and you check or you read emails on your Apple Watch, each time you have an email, because your Apple Watch and your iPhone are connected together, then you can easily change the new email alert. So here, I'm going to walk you through how you can easily change email alerts on your Apple Watch. You can see, so these are all my email. So each time you have an email on your Apple Watch, this is going to give you a different notification, different from the default email alert. So if at the end of this video you found this lesson informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to change mail alert on Apple Watch, all you just need to do is press these two crown ones, then click on the settings icon, whether you're using the list view or you're using the grid view. So just go ahead and click on the settings icon. So once you click on that, scroll down using the digital crown until you get to sounds and haptics, and click on that. Then scroll down as well until you get to new mail, then click on that. Now, these are all the tones or alerts available for you to use for your mail alert on your Apple Watch. Now, to change it, just select all this. That's it. Then hit the back button. So when next you have a new email on your Apple Watch, the ringtone will alert you with it. So that's how you can easily change new email alert on Apple Watch. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.